Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss Patent as an Examination 2001 Paper 1. Question number 1, short notes. 1A, term of patent of edition. Kindly see section 55. Term of patent of edition is equal to the main patent. Question number 1B, content of specification. Kindly see section 10 for contents of specification. Question number 1C, date of patent. Date of patent, kindly see section 45. Date of patent is equal to the date on which the application for patent was filed. Question number 1D, grant and scaling of patent. This is a quite change. Kindly see section 43 for grant of patent. Question number 1E, food is not relevant. Question number 1F, opposition to grant of patent. Kindly see section 25 clause 2 for post grant opposition. For post grant opposition, which has to be made within 1 year after the grant. Question number 1G, invention. Kindly see the definition section 2(1)J for invention. Question number 2, true and false. Question 2A, the complete specification is amended to the satisfaction of the controller. Statement is true. Question number 2B, invention relating to atomic energy is not patentable. Statement is true. Kindly see section 4. Question number 2C, it is possible to obtain a world patent. World patent. Statement is false. There is nothing called world patent. We have to file application, PCT application or convention application. Question number 2D. An applicant after filing a complete specification cannot convert his complete specification into a provisional specification. Statement is false. Kindly see section 9 clause 4. Question number 2E. There is no provision under the Patent Act 1970 to extend the term of a patent. Statement is true. Kindly see section 53, term of patent. Question number 2F. Research institute or organization can use patents for research purpose without any liability for infringement. Statement is true. Kindly see section 47. Exceptions section 47 clause 3. Question number 2G. The register of patent is kept at the Patent Office, Kolkata only. Statement is false. Kindly see section 88 clause 1. Question number 2H. European Patent Office as international search authorities provide reduction in search fee by 75% when applicant is a natural person or legal entity. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. Question number 2I. The national phase application for patent under the PCT may be filed at the Patent Office, Kolkata or its branch office at Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi. Statement is true. Kindly see Rule 19. Question number 2J. For nationals, natural person and legal entity of India, the basic and designated fee are reduced by 75% payable to IB of WIPO. Kindly see the fee structure or the fifth schedule for the fee. Question number 3A. Fill in the blanks. For 3A, kindly see the fee structure or the fifth schedule. Question number 3B. Any person interested in opposing the grant of a patent may give notice of the opposition under section 25 within this month from the date of advertisement of the acceptance of the complete specification in the official gazette. It was a little changed. Kindly see pre-grant opposition, which was made after publication, and post-grant opposition, which was made within 1 year after the grant of patent. Question number 3C. An international application for patent under PCT may be filed with the Patent Office as receiving office, either in English or in Hindi language. Kindly see Rule 19 clause 1. Question number 3D. Exclusive marketing right. is granted for 5 years from the it was changed. Kindly see section 53 for term of patent. Question number 3E. OAPI stand for Organisation Africaine de la Propriété Intellectuelle. Question number 3F. Exclusive marketing rights shall be granted in form. It was changed. Question number 3G. The qualifying marks for each written paper and for the viva voice examination for patent agent shall be this and this percentage respectively to have been passed for the examination only if she kindly see the government notification that was issued for the patent agent examination 2000. Question number 3H. Kindly see Rule 109 and Form 22 is the required form which need to be filed for registration of a person as a patent agent. Question number 3I. For fee, kindly see the PCT fee structure or the structure given in the 5th schedule. Question number 3J. Application for the grant of production of patent in drug can be filed under. It was changed. Kindly see section 7 forms of application. Question number 4 subjective type questions. Question 4A. When a patent of edition is filed. Kindly see section 54 for details. Question number 4B. Name the PCT fee with the amount. Kindly see the current fee structure of the 5th schedule. Question number 4C. Difference between license of rights and compulsory license. Kindly see section 69 for license and section 84 for compulsory license. Question number 4D. A note on invention not patentable. Inventions which are not patentable is given in section 3. There are 15 subject matter which are not patentable. Kindly see section 3 for details. Question number 4E. What do you understand by the term power of controller as per the Act? Kindly see section 77 to 81 for power of controller. Question number 4F. A note on right of patent agents. Kindly see section 127 for patent agents' right. Question number 5A. For producing certified copies of the priority document in case of a convention application for patent, period is 31 months from the date of priority. Kindly see Rule 21. Question number 5B. For filing opposition to grant of a patent after acceptance of the complete specification has been notified in the official gazette. Kindly see section 25 for opposition. Question number 5C. For continuance of the name of a person as a patent agent in the register of a patent agent. It was changed. Kindly see Rule 117 Clause 1 and Clause 2. Question number 5D. For a statement of undertaking regarding foreign application. The time period is 6 months. Kindly see section 8 Rule 12. Question number 5E. For putting a specification in order for continuance after issuing of the first examination report. Period is 6 months. Extension is 3 months. Kindly see Rule 24B, Clause 5 and Clause 6. Question number 5F. For post-dating the application for patent. The maximum period is 6 months. Controller has the power. Kindly see section 17 for details. Question number 5G. For request for postponement of acceptance of complete specification. Yes, controller has the power. Kindly see section 9 clause 4. Question number 6A. Two phase of PCT are international phase and national phase. Question number 6B. For application for patent on Form 1, the amount of fee. Kindly see the fee structure or the first schedule of fee. The fee structure is different for e-filing and physical filing now. So kindly go through the first schedule. Question number 6C. The fee for filing complete specification after provisional specification is rupees. Up to 30 pages there is no fee. Kindly go through the fee structure. Question number 6D. The basic fee for filing international application for patent under PCT. Kindly see the PCT fee structure or the fifth schedule. Question number 6E. Full form of IB of WIPO. IB stands for International Bureau. It is given in Rule 17, Subclause AB. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you.